Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Shivaleela from APPA Public School. In last two clippings, we have solved exercise 2.2 and I said to do last bit, that is match the following, right? Match the following, I said you can do it. How many of you have done? That is left to you, right? Okay, we just verify your answer if you have done. Okay, see, what is the first one? 425 into 136 equals to 425 into 136. They are split as 6 plus 30 plus 100. Okay, so what property is this? You have to distribute this one for these three, right? So therefore, this is nothing but distribution. Distributivity of multiplication over addition, right? Yes. Second one is 2 into 49 into 50 equals to 2 into 50 into 49. Here 2 is same, but the place of 49 and 50 has been exchanged. Right? A into B equals to B into A. So what property is this? Obviously this is commutative property, right? So commutativity under addition and multiplication both have been given. So commutativity under what? This is commutativity under multiplication, right? Yes. Next, third one is nothing but, see the number. 80 plus 2005 plus 20 equals to 80 plus 5. It's nothing but commutativity under addition. Right? Yes. Those who have done correctly, very good and well done. Okay. Those who couldn't do, no problem at all. You can watch this and you can do it. Okay. It's very easy. All based on property. That's it. Shall we go for the next exercise today? Fine. Come on. In the next exercise also, it's completely based on properties of game. Okay. We'll start the next exercise now. So, in the next exercise 2.3, first bit. First bit, which of the following will not represent 0? Which of the following will not represent 0? Question mark. And they have given 4 options also. What are the 4 options? That is 1 plus 0. Second one is 0 into 0. Third one is 10 minus 10 divided by, 0 by 2. 0 by 2. Third one is 10 minus 10 divided by C. Now, which of the following does not represent 0? 10 minus 10 what? 0, right? 10 minus 10 is 0. 0 by 2 is nothing but 0. So this is not. Then obviously 0 by 2 is 0 only. This is also not. 0 zeros are 0 only. This is also no. 1 plus 0 is 1. So which one will not represent 0? This one, right? So therefore 1 plus 0 equals to 1. So therefore it does not represent 0. Over. Very easy, right? Yes. Next, properly. Okay. Fine. See. Second one is if the product of two whole number is 0. 2 whole number is 0, can we say that Can we say that one or both of them will be zero? Will be zero? Justify through example. Justify through example. Justify through example. Read the question properly. What they have given. If the product is given of two whole number is zero. Any two whole number, here one whole number, here one whole number, answer is given as zero. If it is zero, then can we say either one or both of them will be zero? Can we see what is the product of any number with a zero? Any number, you can consider any. 5 into 0, what's the answer? 0. 8 into 0, 0. 100 into 0, 0. Right? Product with a 0 is always 0. Product, any number with a 0 is also 0, and 0 into 0 is also 0. Right? So therefore, we can easily say either one or both of them will be 0. Right? See, if you multiply, if the product is 0, if product is given as 0, then obviously any one number will be 0 or else both also. If one number is 0, product will be 0 only. If both are also 0, then also there will be no changes in answer. Right? The product will be 0 only. Got it? So therefore, yes, we can say that if the product is 0, then we'll write. Yes. We can say that. If the product of any two whole number, if the product of two whole number is 0, then one or both of them will be 0. What are the examples? Write your own example. You can give your own example. Any example you can. 3 into 0 equals to 0. 0 into 12 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. You can give your own example. Any example. No problem at all. Okay? Understood? Yes. See, read the question properly. In the next question also same thing is there, but the digit is changed. So you have to see what they have given. Product is given. This is known as product. So this is product. Product is given. Okay. Product is 0. They have said. They just asked. Can we say that either any one or both of them will be 0? Yes. If the product is 0, then obviously multiplier and multiplicand, any one among them or both of them will be 0. Okay? But if the product is changed, then we can't apply the same theory there. Okay? Shall we go for the next one? Fine. In the next one also, same way, but the product is given as 1. If the product is 1, then if the product of two whole number is 1, then can we say either any one or both of them will be 0? I mean 1. That is the asked question. Think. Can we? Okay. think can be. Okay, I'll write the question on the board. If the product of two whole numbers, two whole numbers is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? Justify through the example. Justify through the examples. Previous question also same way, but there it was 0, but here it is 1. Product is given 1. Any one or both of them will be 1. Think, can we? No. See here, when the product will be 1, if both are 1, 1 are 1. But if any one is 1, remaining number is changed, then you want to get 1 as the product. Because 1 is a multiplicative identity, you will get the other number which is considered, not 1 as the product. Got it? So therefore, we can't say like that. When both the numbers are 1, then only we will get the product as 1. Okay? Understood? If any one is 1, the remaining numbers are changed, then the product also will change. But in the case of 0, it is not like that. There we can. Got it? Yes. So, no. To get 1 as product, both the numbers must be 1. Numbers must be 1. Example, 1 into 1 equals to 1. If we take another 8 numbers, 1 into 3 equals to 3. This is not equal to 1. Okay, that is not equals to 1. If you can take any other also. That is also not equals to 1. But you can give your own example, no problem. Understood? Fine. Shall we go for the next bit? Yes. Next bit is based on distributive property. Okay? They have clearly given to use that property. You have to use it. Already you have solved it in the second exercise by splitting the numbers. Same way you have to do now also. Okay? Find using distributive property. Find using distributive then first number is 728 into 101. Same, any one number you can split. If I split this one, I'll get 700 plus 20 plus 8, 3 numbers. If I split this one, 100 and 1, only 2 numbers. Very easy, right? So, we'll split this one. As I said in earlier classes, you can split any number. And we can multiply in any order also because multiplication is commutative. Okay, so therefore, but we should use our mind. Instead of going through this long solution, we'll get a smart way to get the answer. Okay, fine. So 728 into 100 plus 1. I have splitted it. Now distributive property. So I have to distribute this one to this and this, both. So what I'll get? 728 into 100. This is one group plus 728 into 1. This is another group. I have distributed 728 to 100 and to 1. Both. So 72800 plus 728, because multiplication with 1 is very easy, right? With 1 and 0, it's too easy. That's it. Now add 0, 0, so last two digits will be same to 8. Now 8 plus 7, how much? 15. 1 carry, so 3, 7 as it is. Over. Next, B1. B number 5437 into 1001. Okay? See again, same way. 5437 into split 1000 plus 1. As I said, I can split this one also. There is no condition I shall split this one only. You can split this one also. Here, if you split, you will get 4 numbers. 5000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 7. But here only 2 numbers. 1000 plus 1 over. Now distribute this number to 1000 and 1 both. Okay. What I will get is 5437 into 1000. 5437 into 1. Okay. Now multiply 5000. Okay, I'll write this one there. Enough space. 5037 and 3 zeros. Multiplication with the zeros is very easy, right? 10, 100, 1000 with 10,000 and 5437. Now add 3 zeros. So last 3 digits will be same. 437. Next 5 plus 7 is 12. 3 plus 1 4. This 4 as it is 5. This is the answer. Right? Fine. Next number 8024 into 25. Here also same way. This is C1. 8 to 24, I'll keep it as it is and I'll split it 20 and 5. And I'll distribute to both the numbers. 20, 824 into 5. Find the product. 0 will be as it is. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16 plus 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, 5 8s are 40 plus 1, 41. Now add 0 as it is, 8 plus 2 10, 2 plus 4 6, 10 2. Over. Right? Next, D1 is 4275 into 125. 125. See here. If I split this one, I'll get 4 numbers. If I split this one, I'll get 3 numbers. So what I'll do, I'll split this one only. Okay. So 4275 into 100 plus 20 plus 5. Okay. Now distribute this one to all numbers those who are inside the bracket. So 4,275 in plus 4,275 into 20 plus 4,275 into 5. Now multiply 4,275 that is 0 plus 0 as it is. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 4s are 8 plus 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35 plus 2 37, 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13, 20 plus 1 21. Now add up. Last 5. Next 7. Next 3 plus 5 plus 5. 13. 1 carry. 8. 8 plus 5 13. 13 plus 1 14. 3 11 13 5. This is the answer. Next, last one. E1. E problem. See, if I added vertically, then you can write these horizontally, and you can, I just wrote it horizontally and I have added. If you don't get how to add horizontally, then you can write those numbers vertically and you can add up. Okay, no problem. Okay, fine. Next, last number is 504 into 35. 504 into 35. Here both the numbers, if I split, I'll get 2 digits only. Whichever number you want, you can split. No problem at all. Okay, you can split either 500 plus 4 or 30 plus 5. Both are same. Okay, what I'll do is I'll split 500 plus 4 into 35. So split this one to both these. So 500 into 35 plus 4 into 35. Okay, multiply. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. Now 4 5s are 20, 2 carries, 4 3s are 12 plus 3, 2, 14. Now add 1 7 6 4 the answer. Okay. Over. In this exercise, last one problem is study the pattern and write the next 2 steps. Okay, that is very easy. You can try for yourself. Okay, it's very easy. See, the pattern is given like on the left side also it went on increasing the, on the left side it went on increasing the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the right side, it went on decreasing 9, 8, 7 like that. Okay, so you can just observe the pattern and you can write the answer. Okay, so this is enough for today's class, and for up to this much, what we have solved is from second chapter. So second chapter is completed now. In the next class, in the next clippings, we'll start the third chapter. It's a little bit lengthy chapter. Okay, and whatever you are going to learn in that chapter, it's very useful and a few tricky methods to divide the numbers just by seeing the number. By what number can we divide it? How? Is it a prime number? Is it a composite number? Can we divide it? Can we get the square of this? Everything you can find out by that. So that is the most important. Okay, and a bit lengthy chapter also. So therefore, in the next clippings, we'll meet with that chapter, that is playing with numbers. Okay, let's play in that chapter. Okay, until then, bye-bye.